Hi everyone and welcome back to another video. So if you want to fix layouts, reorganize notes, or clean up your pages in Goodnotes, moving and resizing handwriting lets you adjust everything from the beginning, okay? So in this guide I will show you step by step how to move and resize handwriting in Goodnotes in 2026 easily and precisely. So first thing first, select the lasso tool, okay? So here is the lasso tool, okay? Open your notebook, tap the lasso tool. This tool is required to move or resize, okay? Select your handwriting. So for example, let's just do an example of this. Tap and hold inside the selection, drag it to a new position so you can move it to whenever or wherever you want, okay? So place it anywhere on the page, okay? Resize handwriting, so tap the selected content and drag the corner handles if you want. So you have to have here the option of handling, so drag outward makes it bigger, and drag inward makes it smaller. So keep proportions for clean results, okay? You can rotate, so this is optional, okay? As you can see, this is how we can make it small or big, okay? You can also rotate, okay, and place and adjust, so release the selection, reposition if needed, and repeat until layout looks clean. So some common mistakes that people make: not selecting full handwriting, dragging from outside selection, resizing too much, okay? So that's it guys, thank you for watching and see you in the next tutorial.